Welcome in the kitchen. Look what I've got, fresh corn. No, it's not out of my garden. I do have corn planted, 4 big long rows, and hopefully the deer and the squirrels and the turkeys and the whatever else we've got wandering around here won't eat it. Got my fingers crossed we'll get some of it at least. Um, but we're going to grill this corn tonight, and I want to show y'all how I do that. Easy peasy. Turn y'all down here so you can see my cutting board. Okay, let me get me a bigger knife. I just take it right like this. Boom, cut that off. Cut that off just a little bit. There you go. You see that? That's all I do to it. And then I'm going to put this straight on the grill. I know my daddy used to call corn on the cob roasting ears. Roasting ears is what he meant. He'd call them roasting ears. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to roast this corn out here on this grill. And it takes about 30 minutes on a hot grill to get this corn warm. All you need to do is warm it good through, you all. Just give it a good warming and it's good. But you don't want to peel it open. You don't want to do anything to it. And everybody says, well, what if there's a bug in it? You're going to get it hot enough, you're going to kill that bug. And you're not going to eat the bug. You're going to cut all that away when you do this. But once you bring it in, it'll be hot. Then you take all your shucks off. All your silks will just peel away. But it's going to steam itself right in this husk, okay? And it will be absolutely delicious. I do not peel it. I don't wash it. I never wash my corn. Never. It washes away flavor, you all. So, this is the best corn ever, I'm telling you. So I'm going to take this out here and put it on the grill in a few minutes. I'm going to take y'all with me. And so I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, y'all, here we go. We're going to take this corn out here. I'll show y'all my porch as I go by. Doesn't that look pretty? Look at my little pot man right there. Isn't he cute? Sitting there on the corner. It's smoking. And I'm going to lay this corn on here just like this. I told you I was just going to lay it on there. All right, there we go. And that has to cook about 30 minutes. And we'll put the lid back on there. And we'll bring the fish out here in just a little bit.
I threw some coals in there, but I don't know what you're going to do.
On video, just so you know. Go ahead. Go ahead and turn it.
All right.
This is what y'all want to do right here. Just kind of turn it, and you can see how it's sweating, I think, maybe. Down there. I don't know. I don't want to get that too close to the heat. But it steams inside that shuck. Okay? So you let it cook like that and turn it every little bit for about 30 minutes. Okay, we've got our fish back in here. Look at it. You do not turn it over. You just let it cook. Now here's our corn. Look at this. See how it's charred? Now's when you take the shucks off and you take the silks off. Look at this. See how easy peasy this just comes right off. Just easy peasy, just like this. Just like that. That's all you got to do to it. The silks are all off. There's not a silk on that corn. Well, there is a few, but they just touch them. They just fall right off, you all. Look at that. Beautiful ear of corn. I'm going to put them right here on this plate. Look here, we'll do another one. And if this corn is hot, let me tell you, it is hot. There's this another ear. Got 4 ears. There's 4 of them. So we get an ear of corn tonight. Okie doke, here we go. Y'all see how easy those silks, you just get a hold of it and just pull them back. And this corn is hot. I'm going to grab me a paper towel right here to hold it in. I want y'all to see how easy that just peels right back off of that. See? Silks and all, you just peel it right back. Hold them at the top. They just peel right back. One more to go. And we'll be ready to have our supper. And I'm going to put these up in separate videos for y'all because some of y'all don't like to watch very long at all. Okay? So I'll put up separate videos, one for the fish and one for the corn. And, okay, y'all, here's our corn. There it is. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. Turn my lights back on. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.